Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a DIY for Christmas. I wanted to have a little, decoration in one of my bathrooms, my guest bathrooms. And I wanted it with a sort of silver theme because the colors that are in there, silver works well with it. So I didn't have anything, so I went through my stash and I found this swag that I bought, oh my gosh, I know probably about 10 years ago when I first moved to the area. And I went through my little ornament stash, ornaments that I'm not using or whatever. And then I found some greenery that I had from previous years decorating, and it looks kind of busted. So I'm going to recycle that. And then I found this silver spray painted eucalyptus. And I'm not sure where this came from, but I'm pretty sure I got it on sale or clearance somewhere. So I actually have 2 packs of that. And then I've got these silver pipe cleaners that I've gotten from Dollar Tree. And this was in my Christmas stash as well. So basically everything I had, I already had it, should I say, in my stash. So I didn't buy anything. So I'm just going to try to put together a little swag to go over a mirror in the bathroom, my guest bathroom, using these items. I'm not going to use a glue gun or anything because I want this to be temporary. I may want to recycle this swag at some point. So I didn't want to glue anything on it because that's what I did the last time. I just attached things to it, and then, once I was done, I took them off. So we're going to do that. The tools you'll need, definitely a wire cutter and some scissors. So I have that here, and we're going to get started. So what I'm going to do first is actually take my eucalyptus and see about arranging it on the swag. It shows you how old it is. This rubber band's like crumbly. That was holding it in here. Yeah. So here we go. And I kind of fan it out. Let me get in frame so you can see it. It smells like really earthy. And so I like the fact that it's all put together. I think I probably took something out of this one because it's a little thinner. But we're going to make it work. Again, this is going in like a guest bath. So unless they're like real picky or nosy, it's not going to matter if this eucalyptus is a little uneven or whatever. So what I'm going to do is just kind of lay it in the center. And again, temporary, so it's not going to matter. So all I'm doing is just wrapping branches from the swag around it, like so that it won't move. Because we're going to cover all that up with other things. And so, yeah. And it doesn't matter if the eucalyptus kind of goes farther out, on the end than the swag. That just makes it fuller. Makes it look interesting. And this is a great way, like I said, to recycle stuff you already have that you're not using. You can get one of those Dollar Tree, or 2 of them, should I say, Dollar Tree Christmas trees that they have, and achieve the same look with it if you don't have a swag on hand. Or if you want, you can pick up one. I'm pretty sure this came from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's when I got it. So, yeah, so you can find these. But again, if you want to take the cheap route out, by all means, get you a couple of those Dollar Tree trees and you can do the same thing. So what I'm going to do is take those same branches that I used the first time and wrap this one in too. That way, put it there. I'm just trying to make sure it's kind of even on both ends here. Yeah. It has a nice earthy smell, this eucalyptus. So there we go. And so, yeah, there we go, all nicely attached. And again, yeah, I'll probably use some of this at some point in previous years decorating. So, there we go. It's not going to matter too much anyway. All right, so now what I want to do is take some of these floral stems here, and I'm going to cut some off. And just kind of, oops, well, that one fell off. I'm going to stick it back on the stem. Let me cut this off. And I just slid it off. So we're going to slide it back on. Oh, it's actually torn. But we don't know. Nobody will know. Like I said, this one was kind of busted. It's been wrapped, you know, shuffled around and everything in my Christmas stash. So it'll work. It'll be a nice filler. I'm going to stuff that in. We'll cover it up some with the, you know what, we'll put it in the middle. And then we can kind of camo it with some of these ornaments once we get everything situated. So I'm going to pull it in, wrap that stem around, use it as a filler in the center. Here we go. So, yeah. All right. And let's see. Let's take some more. Let's cut some off. Kind of work our way around. Kind of leaf there. And again, I'm just sticking things in. And this is super easy, y'all. You do not have to be a professional designer to achieve nice floral arrangements. Okie dokie. Another flower. Let's see, let's get a couple off here. Pull the leaves forward a little bit. There we go. And tuck it in. There we go. It's looking good already. Oh, I love it. This will be cute and simple above the mirror. Okay. So let's take some of this greenery, these leaves, because it looks like a flower was on this one, but we're just going to use the leaves because we lost that flower at some point back, way back when. I'm going to bend that part. Sorry, let me get in frame. Just bend the little stem part down so it just looks like leaves. There we go. Just kind of arrange it, stick it in. And twist it around. We'll do the same with this one since it didn't have a flower on it. And we'll go in the opposite corner from that first piece of greenery. Oh, yeah, it was a flower on the end of this one as well. So I'm going to bend it over and stick it in as well. That opposite corner of that one. Give it some symmetry and kind of work it in. Turn the flowers around, or the leaves around. There we go. Okay. So, kind of looking how this is looking. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's see how we can incorporate some of these ornaments. I'm going to attach the ornaments with a pipe cleaner. That way it can just be wired on. So I'm just running the pipe cleaner, oops, through the top of the ornament like that. And then I'm going to give it a twist so it won't slide up and down the pipe cleaner. And just kind of figure out my placement. So I'm thinking, you know what? I'm going to do it this way. Let's string 3 on 1. How about that? So we're going to untwist it. That way we'll have a little cluster. So I'll take one of these smaller ones. And this is a good trick too. One of these smaller ones. And one of these glitter ones here. Have a little cluster going. Twist them all together. There we go. And then just kind of figure out where I want it to go. So how about right in here? Okay. And then I'm going to work that wire, the pipe cleaner, should I say, around. That's what I like about working with these. They work really good. See if I could find an opening. There we go. All right. Just kind of wrap it around, loop it on really tight. And then you can kind of tuck that under so you can't see that wire, but it's silver, so it's going to work regardless. So let's make another one. And let's see, get a silver, big silver one. Let me take off this hanger. A little silver one and a glitter one. Again, I just went through my stash, y'all. As y'all can see, this didn't cost me a thing this year anyway. All this stuff I already had. So, make that cluster. And then, let's see, we'll kind of pop it here. Yeah, I guess that works. And then we'll stick another flower in the middle. How about that? Okay, so let's wrap this around a branch. Get it secure. We're almost done, y'all. Pull it top and then twist. And it's not going anywhere, but it will be easy to remove once we take this apart. There we go. Let me tuck that in. Okay, and kind of work it however you want. And then I'm going to take another, I think I'm going to use this one because it's a lot fuller. It's not as crushed. Alright. This flower and sort of kind of work it in the center of both of these little clusters. And let's see. Will it come through there? And pull it. And tuck. Let's see. Oops, pulled it too far. There we go. Let's work it. There we go. All right. I like how that looks, y'all. That was quick, simple. What y'all think? I like. Me likey. Okay, so, oh, I'm losing my leaf. Let me fix that. Just kind of work it back in there. And there we go. Make that around. And we're good to go. I really like that, y'all. That is so cute. And this is all, again, from things I already had in my little Christmas stash. So, yeah. Oh, here, let me tuck that in. I just saw a wire. Okay. There. Okay, so there you go. A nice stash made swag. But yeah. Okay, so let me know what you think about this. I'm going to show this in the space once I do my Christmas home tour. There are tons of videos with people decorating with me when it comes to their trees and their home or whatever. What I thought I would do is we make little DIY projects and then you can see how I use them in my space once I do the home tour. So yeah, kind of changed it up a bit. So there we go. And this is going to do it. So again, tell me how you like it in the comments below. And tell me if you've made some stuff out of things in your stash for the holidays. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe and share this video. And stay tuned and look forward to the next one. And I will see y'all then. Bye, guys.